Perfect homemade coffee cappuccino cream, easy and delicious recipe. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect coffee cappuccino cream right in the comfort of your own home. With just a few simple ingredients and some handy techniques, you'll be sipping on a velvety, frothy cappuccino in no time. Let's get started. Ingredients: freshly brewed espresso or strong coffee, whole milk, or any milk of your choice, sugar, optional, to taste, cocoa powder or cinnamon for garnish, optional. Instructions: first things first, let's brew a strong shot of espresso. If you don't have an espresso machine, don't worry. You can use any strong coffee that you have on hand. While the espresso is brewing, it's time to froth the milk. Pour cold milk into your frothing pitcher, and use a milk frother to create that creamy, velvety foam that makes a cappuccino so delicious. If you don't have a frother, you can also heat the milk on the stove and whisk vigorously to create foam. Once you have your espresso ready, pour it into a pre-warmed cup. The warmth of the cup will help maintain the temperature of your cappuccino for longer. Now, it's time to add the frothed milk. Hold back the foam with a spoon as you pour, and then spoon the foam on top of the cappuccino. If you like your cappuccino on the sweeter side, feel free to add a sprinkle of sugar to taste. Give it a gentle stir to dissolve the sugar into the coffee. For that extra touch of flavor and presentation, you can dust some cocoa powder or cinnamon on top of your cappuccino. It not only adds a hint of indulgence but also looks absolutely beautiful. And there you have it, folks. A perfect homemade coffee cappuccino that's creamy, frothy, and oh so delicious. It's like having your favorite café right in your own kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-inspired recipes and tips. Now, go ahead and enjoy your freshly brewed cappuccino. Until next time, happy brewing.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.